Hello and welcome to Classic Mini in LA. It's the first time I've been in the shed to do something like this for a little while. Sorry, I've got a bit of a cold thanks to COVID. Lovely. But anyway, this is a top of a air filter housing, standard Rover issue. I've actually cleaned it up a little bit with some degreasant, but as you can see, it's got some sort of white shadow kind of bits and pieces on it, which you can clean up with a lot of elbow grease with some sort of plastic treatment and trim treatment. But I just want to show you a fairly quick way of doing this using a heat gun. If you have one of these to hand, that will clean up a lot of what's on there very quickly. So I'm going to put that down, stop the video for a second, and then we'll start again. Right, here we go. This is going to be a bit noisy. You know, you expect as such. At least there's not cars driving by and stuff, huh? Anyway, here you go. I'm going to just put this on, blast away, and carefully, hopefully get rid of some of these white spots. Obviously be very careful, because this thing is by definition hot, because it's a heat gun. But as you can see, I'm wafting it around, focusing, and hopefully you can see some of those white bits start to disappear. It may not do all of it, but it's pretty efficient at turning the white into black. And all this is doing is rejuvenating the surface. It's slightly melting the surface of the plastic, so obviously be careful. It's slowly, slightly melting the surface so that you're getting a clean, just come out of the plastic press look. Get the injection nice and black. Definitely be careful, because it is possible to burn the plastic, especially with something as this hot. Just going to stop there just so I can have a look. See, that injection's come up really nice now. See, that's a hot surface. Be careful. There's quite a difference between the bit I've done and the bit I haven't done. What I'll probably end up doing is recording this and then fast forwarding it, because, you know, it takes time. I think you can probably see it's quite a dramatic change. And by the way, I have asbestos fingers. I blame my university days, where I spent a lot of time chefing to get through uni, earning a bit of cash. I got used to holding very hot things. And I can say this is very hot now. Somewhat regretting that this is a hot summer's day as well. That's not bad. I'm going to give that side a rest. Put that down there. I'm going to just do this side. Not that it really matters this side. very easy to see the very quick effect on this side. I'm going to pause a second because this is quite warm now. After a bit of time, it's cooled down, so I'm going to start more. So this side is not at all important. To be honest, glamming up your car's not that important anyway. As long as it goes well, that's what's important. But I know people like to have these things all nice and spick and span. I'm one of those. Yeah, we're nearly there, I think. Trying to get some of the inside details now. And crisscross. Be quite careful because it's very easy to burn this. Right, then that's probably done. I'm going to leave it to cool down because it's red hot. Back in a sec. Right, a short while later. Yeah, that's the finished result. Hopefully you can see, right, from the previous pictures and how I started the video, how much that's improved. Let's give it a turn around. See different angles. And now that should be pretty straightforward now to clean up with a bit of sort of trim polish if you wanted to do such a thing. But yeah, that should be good. Not quite like new, but pretty decent.